Welcome, I'm Maliki. I'm here to help you upgrade your energy. In this video, I'm going to talk about the benefits of meditation and also how you can bring meditation into your daily life without having to find a specific time or place or way for you to sit, to make it simple so that you can do it as you're doing your everyday chores, as you're living your life, because that's the easiest way and the most beneficial way to bring meditation into your life and bring true change. Now, we are alive in order for us to expand, in order for us to move forward. I believe that we also need to move forward from within us. All of us needs to move forward, not just our physical body, not just our mind, not just things that we do at work, but also move forward in an expansiveness of all of you. And that means from inwards, outwards, all of you. Now, in order for you to be able to expand from inwards, outwards, and to bring true change, to bring true transformation in your life, you need to look within. And that is what we call meditation, looking within. There are many different forms of meditation. There's meditation where you just concentrate on your breathing. There's yoga meditation. There's all sorts of meditation, walking meditation, which I love. There's hundreds of different types of meditation. But you need to find what works best for you and how it is that you can incorporate it into your daily life. Because when you make it a part of your daily life, that's where you truly bring it forward into the physical. It's not just a time that you set aside, a place that you set aside, a way that you sit, that you then say, now I am concentrating on the inner world, because that needs to come out. It's amazing to find your inner world. It's amazing to find peace, to calm yourself, to find a peace of mind, peace of spirit, peace of body. But you also need peace of body. That sounds so funny, but I don't mean a piece of your body. I mean peace, bodily peace, calmness. But you need to also find the truth within, find the energy within, and move this forward into your life, into the things that you do, into the things that you say, into your daily interactions, into your daily everything that you create, everything that you say. So, the benefits of meditation. Thousands of scientific studies have found that meditation benefits you in so many ways. It can help you heal, actually make the healing process much faster. It can help you boost your immune system so that you get ill much less. You actually maybe even stop getting ill altogether. It can truly reach you where your vibration and your frequency is at such a high level that you just don't get ill. Another huge benefit is that it alleviates pain, both emotional pain and physical pain. And this is tremendously beneficial for people who are in hospital, who are experiencing pain, for people who are maybe bedridden, for people who are experiencing pain in their daily life and that they don't know how to deal with this. And maybe they don't want to medicate themselves to such a huge level. They want to also balance it with with meditation, with the spiritual energy within. Now, many people react when they hear the word spiritual. And when I say spiritual, I do not mean religious. I do not mean something outside of you. I mean the power in you, the energy within you. There is energy within you. Whether you like to admit it or not, there is love in you, there is light in you, there is truth in you. All these things exist. There's so much knowledge in you. These things all exist within you. Harmony and balance can only be found within you when you actually look. When there is a balance of the outer and the inner. When you actually bring the inside outside, where they're completely one and you perceive of it as one. That's where duality stops, because there is no more duality. It's all one. But you have to perceive of it as one for it to actually truly show itself as one, for you to experience it as one. Athletes use meditation on a daily basis in order to perform better, not just in practice, but for a specific game. They actually visualize themselves performing better, and this is what happens. It actually happens. Actors use meditation. Businessmen use meditation. The most successful people on the planet use meditation on a daily basis to transform their lives, to find the power, the energy within, and to bring this forward. And this is the key thing in bringing it forward. Not just discovering it within you and then going about your daily life without bringing it forward. You need it to flow through. And you need to do this consciously. And that's why when you go to bringing meditation into your daily life, for example, as you're walking, to connect to your heart, to your core, and find the power within you. Just find the energy within you, the light within you. And imagine this coming forward in all your cells. Focus on the happiness in you. There's happiness there, but you need to look for it. You need to connect with your heart. If you truly connect with your core, this happiness will show itself. You will feel it. It will come through. Walk and feel this happiness flowing through. Look at someone and connect with them through the happiness within you. Look at them with the love that's within you. Write something with the love that's within you, connecting from your heart. Do it from your heart. In bringing it forward into the physical, don't just do where you try to quiet your mind or focus on your breathing. Do it where you focus on a flow of energy. Feel the power in you coming forward. That's all it takes. You can do this anywhere, anytime. There's so many things that you can do where you play with the energy within you. If you have cells that have been damaged, imagine them going away. Imagine them just washing away in a waterfall of light. Imagine the regeneration of healthy cells. You can literally play with the energy by imagining your brain synapses connecting, energy flowing. There is an endless amount of things that you can do. As long as you use your imagination, as long as you allow yourself to let go of the seriousness, to go into the fun, into the play, into the happiness. It changes everything, because you feel more and more happiness and you allow this to come forward into everything. As for the benefits, it can also bring more peaceful sleep, more restful sleep, more productive sleep. And what's productive sleep? You can go to sleep having connected to your heart, to your core, having asked yourself a question where you wake up with the knowledge of how to move forward. You wake up with the energy to move forward. You can literally connect to your heart, to your core, before you sleep and say, I will wake up energized. I will wake up happy. It's your body. You can program yourself of how it is that you will awaken. It is possible. You can do so much with visualizing things within you and bringing them forward. If you have trouble with something in your daily life. Find it within you. Picture it within you. Find the answers in you and make the changes, the energy things, just with intention, just with seeing it, feeling it, perceiving it, and then move it forward. Have it flow into your physical experience of the world, into your life. It's not hard to do as long as you believe, as long as you use your imagination and you have fun doing it. If you see it as something scary, some people are actually afraid of meditation. They picture candles and some sort of witch-like, wizard-like, I don't know what. And that's not what it is. It's focusing on you and letting all of you flow as one, all of you move as one, to truly be all that you are. That's the most incredible thing that there is, because then you are whole, then you are one, and you know it. And this changes everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, because I'm going to be making lots of videos on upgrading your energy. I'm going to be telling stories and doing guided meditations. So thank you.